When something goes wrong at home, it can turn your whole day upside down. The power cuts out, the tap starts leaking. You just want it sorted. Quickly, properly, and without the stress. That's where Ruttley comes in. Reliable, responsive, reassuring. When you call Ruttley, our office team listens carefully and gets straight to work. We take down the details, what's happened, where you are located, and how we can help. Then, we book your job in and send a confirmation email with all your appointment details. From that moment, everything's in motion. While you get on with your day, our scheduling team is working behind the scenes, finding the best technician for your job. As soon as your technician's on the way, you'll receive a text message and email with their name and estimated arrival time, so you always know who's coming and when. When your technician arrives, they'll look over the issue, explain what they found, and talk you through the best way forward. We take the time to show you what's happening and outline options that suit your needs and your budget, so you can make the decision that feels right for you. Once you're happy with the estimate and give the go-ahead, we'll get started. Clear, honest communication from start to finish. Every job's an opportunity to do things the right way, clean, safe, and precise. We focus on the details that make the difference because true quality shows in how the work gets done. We test our work, check every detail, and make sure you're happy before we leave. Once the job is complete, your technician will take payment on site. We accept a range of payment options, including card, all processed securely by your technician. For larger projects, we also offer interest-free finance options because we understand that some jobs come up unexpectedly. It's all about keeping things simple, flexible, and stress-free from start to finish. After the job's complete, we'll give you a call to check in and make sure you're happy with the outcome. Because communication doesn't end when we leave. We're with you every step of your home journey. From your first call to the final check-in, we're here to make the process simple and stress-free. Reliable, responsive, reassuring. That's Ruttley.